Hello everyone, a very good evening to one and all. I hope in the task what the Santosh was given, I hope everyone was did all the tasks. So anyway, now it's time to start day 7 topic. So let's listen all the things what you have given the topics. Task everyone should do that. Okay. Okay, Santosh, please start.
Okay, madam. Good evening, guys, everyone. Today I'm in a dilemma whether to start the animation section or a material shader texture, etc. So this is a basic section. So this is a basic workshop for all of you to just get in touch with the Blender. So it's like a introduction session. So workshop. So I'm not going in depth about this software because there are a number of things uh, we can do with this software, but I don't want to go in that much yet. But I know those all applications, but why I don't want to what we say go in depth with that software means so many of you guys are personally messaging me about sir, how can we are not able to follow the controls which you are going. So for that only I have enabled the screencast keys, but even though I have enabled that one, you are not unable to get with that. So that's why I'm not going so in depth with that. So okay, so that's why we need to go something better. So okay, let's start the session. But one doubt I am getting is today better we go for animation or shading. I mean rendering shading session. So you only answer to me. So yes for animation, shading for no. No. So start. I am starting a new poll. Okay, poll in that. So I have sent. So poll there, yeah, not in chat box. So meanwhile, I am switching my Blender and screencast keys. Okay. So okay, many people wanted animation today. Okay. Okay. So, but the thing is, before animation, many people, but a step by step procedure. What is it means? First, after the layout, I mean modeling and sculpting, we need to go for UV unwrapping, and then to texture, polypaint, and then for shading, and then for animation. So this is the step by step procedure. But many of you are saying to go for animation, but why am I asking that one is so UV unwrapping is not that much. So UV unwrapping, texturing, shading, that doesn't. There is not that much a big session. We can uh, so finish that one in a small time. But the animation is somewhat bigger, so it takes so much time. So that's why I'm asking. So whether for animation. So many of you ask for animation, but in the chat box, of you are asking for shading. So okay, but the poll is saying okay. So okay, I will go for shading only today. So, okay, so I am sharing my screen. So guys, are you visible with my screen here? Then animation first. Okay, okay. So is everything visible to you guys? So okay, you shouldn't miss anything. So only one call are present. Why? Why one call only? Right, please. So only. sir, we can make any model by using. Yeah, you can make any kind of model using sculpting tools. The thing is, why I am not what we say showing you big models how to make it means. So I have shown you the previous works which I have done. So on that day at the last minute, right? So after seven I have shown you what we can make in blend sculpting tools. So you might be able to see that. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go for it. So today only, I'm going by step by step process. So first you are able to see na numpad 0. Okay, if numpad 0 not there, here you can go for this toggle camera. Okay, you can press this one. Okay, so this okay na. So this is a general basic cube in our blender by default. So if you go for UV editing, so see here, but I have selected this image, right? So you have not selected. So if you go for UV editing, okay, even though it's coming, okay. So in previous versions, no, I think it's not, it won't come. Okay, so this 3D object is unwrapped. Means unwrapping means when you buy a what we say gift. So when you gift for your friend for a party or etc., you will keep the cover, right? Some gift cover you will pack. You will pack that gift cover on a rectangular box or something. Okay, you pack that 2D cover into a 3D object, right? So this is UV unwrapping is or UV editing is similar to that one only. You can unwrap a 3D model into a 2D image, and 2D image texture you can keep on that, and you can apply it to the 3D model. That's the main what we say main advantage or use of UV unwrapping. So here, create an image for. I am pressing new. Okay, here you can get the width and height like 1024 means 1024 pixels. So we can get like what we say 2048, 4096, etc. 4096 is the highest. Okay, so here you can name like a square. So I am naming here square. Okay, so I am keeping this is the default 1024 or 1024. Either you can go for 512 also. So it's up to you. And the color you can change. It's up to you. But I want to go for black only. This is the default. These are the default settings. So here you get untitled. Okay. So I am not going for tile. Tile means you will get like what we say checks in the way like blue, white and black like chessboard. Okay, generate UV grid, color grid, it's up to you. But I am not going to go for that because it will be clumsy. So the same unwrapping, okay, we got like this. Okay, you can save this like select image, sorry, image. You can save. Okay, I'm going with my blender files location. So square png, it's square png. Okay, save images. Okay, it will save. Okay, it has saved. Okay, it's now saved. And so there are a n number of kinds. So for so this is the cube, you can get it by simple. So for a mesh, human mesh or etc., unwrapping will be difficult. So there are n number of ways you can unwrap. So there are mirror UV, move UV. So there are a number of operations. Smart UV project is the best option when you go for higher polygons. So for higher polygons, Smart UV project might be helpful for you. So UV unwrapping everything will make okay, but that is not that much. Uh, it won't work. So sometimes your polygons won't get the desired. So okay, I will show you. Not by telling you, might not be understanding, but I will show you. Then you may be able to get that. Okay. So if you go for texture paint, so here if I click this one, so square, if I go for square, here I'm getting this one. So but it is getting pink, right? So pink means here I think missing textures. Here you are able to see missing textures, etc. So this is a texture. Here you have some kind of what we say brushes. Okay, okay. So in order to combine this image to this 3D model, you need to go for shading first. Okay. So let me go. So okay, here we have this, this. So we need to first activate this one. So go. What is it? Okay. After going here, we have principal BSF, right? Principal BSF. So principal BSF means general kind of solid. So in Blender by default, principal BSF is a kind of what do we say a material. Okay, in the material. So if you go for surface volume displacement, displacement will be working when you go, here you are able to see E, right? If I go for cycles, I go for GPU compute. So okay, GPU compute will be better. So here you get adaptive sampling, denoising, okay, etc. So I will talk about this. I think today, if it's possible, we can talk today. Else we can talk like of after animation section. It might be better if we talk. Okay, so or else at the ending session. Okay, um, okay, friends. So um, here you are able to see this so if you click like this, it will go like so here. Okay, this is the customization which they gave at 2.8 version, I think. 8 and 8.3 versions. 8.3, I think, from 8.3 they gave. So here there are some operations. So if you want to change the color, you can change the color, etc. Okay, so I'm going for only white color. Okay, so you can go for metallic if you want the cube to be metallic. So here you might be getting a doubt if you are changing the increasing the metallic texture, it's getting somewhat black or dark. So that's because if you decrease the roughness, see, it's like a what we say fine smooth iron piece, like. Okay, so how much you decrease the roughness, so specularity means the somewhat what we say the shiningness or etc. So sheen tint. Sheen tint means if you want your object to be like what we say, if you ever seen a tin can or something, so the same properties will uh, get to that. Get to this. Anisotropic means so a chalk piece is an anisotropic, right? Chalk piece or etc. So if you want that kind of texture to that, okay. So emission, here you have emission options. So here you are able to see, right? uh, so if you get any kind of color, it will emit. Okay, I don't want this one, so I'm going to this one. Okay, so okay, so I think we got lost to our point why we came to the shade. So because in order to get some painting texture to our object, right? So here you have a texture and go for image texture, right? Plus you will get like this. So go for color, base color. Okay, so it's black. Why it's black? Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess why it's black color? I don't see as many options you have on UV menu on the viewport. So there may be some add-ons you need to what we say accept that one. By default, it will be there. Light is off, sir. Light. No. So texture light. So for texture, okay. Image texture, na. So you have enabled a image texture to that DSL. Then why light will come? Better appearance. Better appearance, no. So still more any kind of guesses. So come on, think, guys. Think 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 message in the chat box. I will give you 1 minute time. Images will replace pure metal. No images selected. No images selected. Okay, I will show you. So okay, what he said is right. By default, no image is selected. So that's why it is black. So I have selected this square. Even though I have selected this square, why it's what we say black? Can you guess again? Dark mode. Dark mode. What a dark mode. What a reflection. So no image is selected. It's correct answer only because by default it will be black color. So now even though I have selected the black image, why it's black color? Can you guess? Can you guess anyone? No texture applied. Yeah. Okay. You are selected black color. Okay. Where I have selected the black color? Can you get? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what are the reactions keeping namaste namaste? Okay. I will go. I go. So it's 1 minute up. So here you need to see that the color space sRGB. So here somewhat a non color raw. So these will be applied when you go for what we say normals, highlights, and other some other kinds of what we say what we call that as uh, properties of textures or materials. Okay, I think texture properties. So if you so this is in black color. Our image is also in black color. So here uh, we can so here we are with the texture if texture draw. Okay, so pick a color. So so I am with white color now. So if I make white color here, you are able to see okay, now it is white color. Okay, if I go for white color. Okay, if I paint this white color, so okay, it's white color. So if I go for red color, so you can image the brush size. So this brush is so small. So I am pressing. So what we say, so if you go for layout button, so press this button. Okay, your square brackets. So I want to show you, that's why I'm pressing it. So press the square bracket button. So right side square bracket button will increase the size, whereas the left side will decrease the size. Okay. So now it's red color. Okay, red color is there waiting. So if you go for green color, so if you decrease this one, the color your color's darkness will increase. Okay. So it's up to you which color you choose. Okay. So okay. So now see so it's a three-sided color, right? Okay. So you need to save this image. So here you can save this. If I save this, so it's saved as a png. So if I go for blenders, we kept it as a square, right? Okay, we need to search for s g h a j k l r r s square square q r. So here you are able to see, right, a square png. So whatever we have painted there, it's available here as a PNG file. Okay. So here you are able to see, sir, it's not that much clarity because we have selected 1024 pixels. So depending on the pixels, the clarity will be there. Okay. So it's not that much. Okay. So going to our texture says, okay, if you paint again here, this one. Okay, it's nice. So you can go for yellow color. So I am increasing this one. So just by pressing the brackets. So don't press any shifts or etc. Okay. So what else color left? Orange, I think. So okay, all colors are done. Okay, now if you go for shading, so it is somewhat like metallic, right? If you decrease the metallic, okay, so you can go for it. So now going to layout, okay, it's like this. If you go for rendering, so this, or else you can press Z and go for rendering. So I am with cycles right now. So I have so the 1920 1080 is the full HD, what we say, full HD resolution. So it's pixels, it's 100%. If I go for 200%, it will be 4K, but I don't want for 4K because it takes so much time. Okay, so rest details we will talk about the about when we go for what we say animation. So okay, we will go for timeline at animation. Okay, so if I keep my mouse pointer here, if I press numpad, okay, if I press numpad, and if I keep my mouse pointer here and press numpad, it won't work. Okay, you are able to see, right? So if I keep here, it will work. Okay. So here you are unable to see the what we say, the colors, right? So here lightly you are able to see. The reason is we have not kept the lightings, and so some other details we need to what we say, settings we need to do here. Okay, I am doing that. GZ. So shift here. I wanted a plane. Okay, I will scale it. So by default it's white in color. So we have a basic lighting. So by default we will get a lighting in Blender. So it's cycles. So cycles we will get this kind of noise. You need to go here. We need to keep adapt to sampling. So after keeping adapt to sampling, if you increase, so if I wanted to increase to one, so it's I kept full adapt to noisy. So it will be nice. Minimum samples. So how much sampling you are increasing, it will make the pressure on your GPU. So good GPU makes good samplings and will take much time. So I am going for two. So see, so how a nice game, or I will go for five. So full clarity, denoising. You need to automatic. So I am going for denoising. So this is the new feature added by default here. So it's up to you whether you can go here or not. Denoising, first you need to check whether it's all nice. I think denoising is better or not. Square samples, I think it's not needed here for now. Square samples. So I think this all you will get clarity when we talk in detail about the rendering, because I want to tell you a thing. So when you watch, I think at the time of 2000 and 2001, 2002, when you watch a TV, you get a disturbance like noisy texture. So it will be like so when I move this cycle, so in this manner only you will be getting the noisy, right? So the same you will be observing here too. So if I go for camera. So now I wanted to move this camera, right? So how can I move? So any kind of so okay, not guesses. Okay, no need of guesses here. So this will take a much time. So I am going for material. Material will show the kind of materials attached and etc. It will be somewhat better, but you go for high kind of material, or what we say, uh, high means high poly 3D figures or etc. You will be again facing the same what we say, difficulty with that one also. So I will select this camera, and I so here we have this transform. So all the linear rotation and scaling, what we say, this one moving in Blender, and but in Maya and 3ds Max or etc. Linear or some other terminologies they use. So we can move like this. Okay, or else you can do another thing also. So press G, select this camera, press G. So here you are able to move like this, right? So okay, it's nice, but I don't want like this. If you don't want like this, press this one, GY. You can move it like this, GX, GZ. Okay, so but this is too not satisfying. So what else we need to do? So press the N. If you press the N, you will get the side of add-ons or etc. So here by default you will get this. So this what we say add-on or something. So taskbar we will get like this. So here go for view. View here you are able to see view lock, right? This is the view lock. So here lock to 3D cursor, left to camera view. So I am selecting camera to view. So you will be getting this kind of extra dotted red color. Uh, what we say dotted line. So again you press N, it will go. So if I go for like this, I can get any kind of 3D view I want. Okay, so okay, okay. So I want so any kind of what we say just 3D view. So if I am okay with this, so I wanted to scale this one, so it will be better if I wanted a much more clarity on this. So okay, if I go for rendering mode, so shadows are okay. If you don't want shadows or etc, we can work on that. Okay. So for present, I want to adjust the lightning. So I am adjusting this lightning. Okay. So it is somewhat dark, right? So press Z and Z. I'm increasing the light. So the power is 1000 watt. If you want to make any kind of color, okay, I'm selecting yellow color. So it's like this. So if you change the color of the light colors, okay, it's up to you. So I want to increase this to 10,000. It will increase. Uh, very abnormally, it will increase. Okay. So after all, it's working. So it will denoise and get to uh, video. So here you are able to see small grand what we say denoise granules. Okay, path tracing. So it's nice. So if you make this to 64, render to 19 196 or something. So if you increase this one, make sure that you have a good GPU or etc. Else, it will increase the what we say rendering time. So rendering time. So to make this one, it will take much time. So if I press here 12, see you are able to see there will be somewhat difference. So if I want to render this only this kind of scene, okay, you can go here render. So else you can press if you want to render only a particular image at so here you are able to see this keyframe one. So you can go for render F12 render image, so it will take some time. So in what we say render cycles, so it will take much time. So but in Eve it will generate at a particular just a minimum time, but the realistic of the render image will be more in what we say cycles. So even Maya or etc, the cycles has bet so at the time of 2.8 3ds or etc, render cycles has beaten up every render cycles render engines of the other softwares which are commercially used. So they prefer this. So our image is being prepared, so you can save this one. So image here you can save. Okay, I don't want to save this one, so it's up to you. So going to tab mode. Okay, so this is why from. Okay, you are I think you are up to this. It's clear, I think. So if I don't want to go with this cube, so I want there are n number of ways you can light. So but for lightning you need to go for what we say, go for eve. Eve will be better if we go for or so for preview. For this kind, it's better we go for eve, because eve takes less time. So here you are not getting any kind of a noisy or a, so that's because of eve. So for eve also you can go for here render image. So if you don't save that previous one, so here you got this in a, so just a point 2 seconds, 3 milliseconds. Okay. So but the thing with the EVs, it won't be that much realistic. It will be somewhat uh, like animated or something. Okay. So this I think you all are done with this, right? So if I don't want this cube, okay. So this cube, okay. Just make any kind of another object, like so I have told you about this principle of BSF, right? So okay, let's make another 3D model. Why to disturb this one? Okay, make move this one G X, and I press shift A, go for cylinder G Z. Okay, so tab. So so just simply I will make a model. So okay, controller, controller, controller. So it's somewhat like a cup, right? So if you want this to be uh, so let's go select this all vertices. So these are vertices. Okay. So press E and press S. E, E. So it's gone like some extruding something. Okay, and press E. Press S. So E, press S, E, press S. Okay, it's done, right? I think it's done. So go for tab GZ. So it's much above from the ground. So see whether it's correctly inserted or not. Okay. So I will go for shade smooth. Shade smooth. Okay. It's okay. But you are able to see some kind of dizziness or curve. Okay. So I don't want to go for this. So here you can go for a subdivision surface. So okay. So okay, we forgot a thing here. Okay. So tab. We need to select what is it? We need to select this one. X cases. Again, you go for this. It's okay. So so today I'm going somewhat fast. I think thickness. So if you increase this thickness, So here you are able to see this. This is you are able to see. So if you I am getting somewhat okay. If you so you are increasing this one, it will be getting like this. Okay. So I don't want this much. So okay, it's I think enough. So offset, I think offset will be by default -1. So what -1 will do means it will. Um, I think it's not by practically. If you do, you will understand. By not telling, so it will not be good if I tell. So you won't be understanding that one. Okay. So I will press Control R. So how much subdivision? So how much loop cuts if you do, that much clarity you will be getting. So but loop cuts make the 3D model much bigger. So here for a glass if it will be better if we go for smooth, somewhat so press alt and select this one. So go for tab. Okay, I think it's done now. So okay, go for subdivision surface. So it's somewhat good, right? So go for levels. So this is okay, I think. So go for shading. So here you are getting so it's so press new color. So rather than that, if you go for layout and go for render, so it's looking like this. So here you can get material properties, right? So here it's assigned. So or else you can delete this one. So if you press -1, it will remove that one. Okay, but it will be present in the what we say software. Okay, so press for new. So here you are able to see surface principal BSF. Here you are getting n number of some kind of materials. So for hair, you can go for hair BSF. So mixed shader means what we say for 2 to 3 kinds of materials. If you want to combine like a glass and a metal, or a rough surface with the metal, rocky surface with a metal, so or etc. It depends on your requirement. So principal BSF means is a default. Okay, principal here BSF is not that. Principal volume means for a kind of a foggy or etc. So volume scatter is also what we say uh, this foggy environment. If you want to render a kind of foggy environment, you want that volume absorption means uh, you want to make a dark kind of theme with like mm, what is that, a green picture or etc. If you see that kind of web series, so it will be like a foggy with dark texture, right? So that is that one only. So transparent BSF velvet is not that much useful for you. I think you won't. So toon BSF is what I have said to you. So toon means like cartoons. If you want, you can make this model to a toon. So okay, let me show you this one. So okay, as it's a white color, you won't be that, but it is looking somewhat like a glowing, right? So okay, if I go for red color, so here this kind of red color is different from what we say GX, GY. So this red color you are able to see, but then again this red color you are able to see, right? So let me place this side by side. So here see you are able to see this difference between the red colors. So toon VSF, what does it do? It means so you are having this material 0. So you are seeing this one. The texture has been applied here. Material 01, this one. So okay, if I go for toon here to this one also, so it will glow somewhat different. So here, if you go for shading, so see here, size and smooth. So smoothness also you can able to. make. So diffusion glossy means you will be getting like a glass, so somewhat absorb transparency or etc. You will be getting. So I think this is not an needed for you. So it's dependent on your application, but I want to go the base for a principal BSF only. So okay, I want this only in white color. If you want, you can go for blue or etc. So light colors will generally work, right? If you go for this Boon BSF and so I want to go for glossy BSF. So it will be at top. Okay, if you go emission will be like, so here you are able to see this is the like this. So if you go and want, if you go for increasing the strength, so here you are able to see it's so it's getting okay. So if by default it will be one, so you can change the color what you want. So okay, it will be like this, but I don't want all this. Okay, so I will go. I will go for glossy here. Glass BSF, glossy BSF. There will be two kinds of BSF. Glossy will be the difference between glossy and glass. So only you only tell, not I. I won't tell that one. You only put me in the chat box. So what is this link here? Blender tutorial. What is this one? So this is 2.9 here. You will what we say? You will you will it will be much difficult for you. So glossy is shining one, sir. Yeah, right. Okay. Glossy stamp transparency. Right. So I don't want this emission. So let me go for glossy. Whether so decide we have to decide whether a glossy will be nice or glass will be. So glossy will be nice for ornaments or etc. So if I want this one to be like gold, so okay, gold. So this is not. So we need to decrease this color. So okay. So this will be in somewhat gold color. If we make this some kind of so roughness, if we increase, so here you are able to see. If I decrease the roughness, so see, it will be okay. So let okay. Just a second. We to select this one. So we need to adjust some kind of lightness. Okay. So if we go for glass BSF, so glass BSF, don't go for any kind of color. Okay. So it will be transparency. So we need to go for here shading, or here also you can go 1.33 is the IOR for glass. Okay. If you want for glass, you need to set this IOR to 1.33. This roughness if you increase, it's up to you. So if you decrease also, it will be become, because this environment is a black color, that's why it is like this. So so generally we make a method like what we say, go for 8 more tab, uh, it's like this. Okay, E X, okay, E Z. Okay, so we can make this what we say, control R. So I think this is not the method here. So sorry. So sorry, we shouldn't make like this, but sorry, but it is also okay. But the thing is, we will get some kind of so we need to make a curvy kind of thing. Okay, so to make that, I think better to go for another plane or etc. So if I go for another lightning, okay, lightning like sun. If you go for sun, G Z, okay, increase the strength to 1000. So see how it got 2000, not okay 500. So raise the sun. So here you will be getting like this, yeah. So okay, depending on this one only, you will be getting what we say. Uh, the direction which it will get like this. So I think this is nice for us, right? So it will be. So if I go for a zero, means a numpad zero. Okay. So here you are able to see this. I don't want, but if I go like this, it will be like this. So you can go for camera. So okay, select the camera here. If you change the focal length of the camera like 36, okay, you will get like this. So somewhat extreme. So decreasing the focal length, you will be getting away from the uh, object or something. Okay. So if you have less focal length, so that's why action cameras make a better ranking than DSLR cams. I think you might be familiar with the DSLR cams and action cameras. Action cameras means so okay. If you are not familiar with that, it's okay. Let's don't talk about it. Okay. So this is the what we say. Uh, what I said. Glass I made. Okay. This is the cube. Okay. So roughness if I decrease, so it is getting much more darker. So if I go for sun, so this is the sun. Okay. Uh, Here we have other also spot area 3-point lighting. 3-point lighting will be for environments. Okay. If you go for environments, it's okay. So okay, it's time up here. Okay. So shade. I have gone through UV editing today. Okay. Texture. So okay, okay. Let me show you a thing. Okay. So I have selected this glass. If I go for UV editing, uh, image new. Okay. So if I want to 2048 and 2048. So where I have stick for that, it's up to you. Depending on your interest, you can do that. So make so you are not getting this one. So okay, go for UV unwrap. So okay, I have selected this one, right? Okay, you need to go for a smart. Okay, yeah, okay, you have got this right. So you can adjust this one. If you select this one all, and so screencast is not available at this kind of what do we say UVs. Okay, you can G grab this one. If you press G, you can shift this to here, 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 etc. It's up to you whether you want this one here or not. Okay, I press this one. Okay, if I go for here, only this one. If I select this one, okay, okay, you can make this save. Okay, image save. What do you say glass. Okay, glass UV. Okay, I will say this one. So I have saved this one. Okay, so if I go for so the area you select, it will come. Okay, if I press A, okay, it will come. So go for texture paint. So here you can see this polygons you are able to see, right? So I don't want this one. So I want a new untitled. Which I have made here. Okay, you can go here for texture paint and you texture. You can texture whatever you want. Okay, so here I will go for orange color. So here, so okay, we will get some kind of other brushes also. So okay, material single image. Okay, you can go for image also. So somewhat like so here you can able to browse. So downloads. Okay, you can go for I think it's 62%. So here you are able to see GPU it's occupying. So depending on the thing you get your GPU will occupy. Okay, so I will go for Blender files only. So any kind of so any image I will take from my so it's not responding here. So it's getting uh, too much clumsy. Uh, so okay, let me select this JPG. Okay, so so here you are able to see this this came here. So I will go for shading. So if I press Shift A, go for image texture. So image texture. So combine this one. Uh, so okay. So here you are able to see some earth structures, right? So see here, you are getting the map, etc. So here I will go for the lightning and increase. So it's not making any kind of change, like 500. Okay, it's not making any change because the sun is dominating. So so how much powerful light you use? Sun is the dominant, right? So the same property applies in the blender. So I have told you that blender is a mini world, right? So you can, but you can adjust this one. So, but I don't want to adjust here. Okay. So if I go for, I will delete this BSF and I go for principal BSF. So here also you can get shader. So principal BSF, I will go for here BSF here. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, so it's looking somewhat nice, right? So if I go for metallic and I decrease the roughness, so it will be similar to the previous one because so reflections will be less when you decrease the roughness. Okay, so it will be becoming dark. If I increase the roughness also, it will be becoming dark because the environment impact will be more when you increase the metallic. Okay, it's up to you. You can normal. Okay, normal means if you want what we say, if you go for a rocky plane. So let me say that if you want a desert kind of environment or on an object, you can go for normal. So or normal means the bumps of a particular object, like just let me say uh, bump bump means like speed, like a road texture. So for a road texture or etc you so let me show you rather than telling. Okay, so this is the normal here. So normal will be like this. So okay, so this is one of my works. So normal, so you can make like this. So okay, you can make anything. So here you are able to see, right, this so here you are able to see this rock is much more realistic. This is because I have a rocky texture with the normals, and you are able to I think, let me show you here roughness. So roughness, if you want exactly, you can make the roughness link to this isotropic. You can link this, and alpha also you can make normal tangent too helps when you go for some kind. So displacement also you can make. So okay, let me show this. So if you it won't displacement won't work when we say what we say in Eve. Displacement work in only cycles only. So if I control, so shift A, here you need to press shift A only. Okay, and put no, okay, image displacement. So let me displacement. Okay, so vector displacement, it's up to you. So this is metal, you won't be able to see. So this is one mid level something scale I am increasing. So if I go for rendering, oh, we are getting a bigger. So okay, so somewhat yeah. So but the images rendering will be better, will be much more realistic in the cycles, not in Eve. Eve makes our work in less time, but the thing is we won't get much more realistic images. So this is the realistic color. Okay, if I am decreasing this one so that we will be able to see this one much better. So I want to decrease the even strength of. So if I press for some for 100, so see, if I press render image, depending on the complexity, it will take the time to render. See here, so here you are able to see how much GPU it is occupying. Here AMD GPU it's 27 internal GPU, so it will occupy much GPU, and CPU also it will take. So mine is 1.5 gigahertz. So I think if you might not be familiar with this, so some students of electronic backgrounds might be familiar with this. Okay, so gigahertz or etc. Makes the work. If you have more gigahertz, your CPU performance will be more. That's the only thing I can tell you if you are a layman for this. Okay, so it's occupying 88%. Okay, you are able to see. So it's at yes. Totally okay. Totally, we can neglect here. You are see. So here see. Uh, so I didn't keep the port. Okay, we can keep like this also. So I will decrease what we say the. So by default it will get 50. Okay. So better to decrease the background to somewhat dark colors. So as it's a white color, the reflections are more, right? So if I go for a dark color like black, so it's nice now, right? So black. So if you are dealing with a light color, you go for a black color. It's up to you. Okay, I think today it's better to leave you. So it's 7:10. Okay, you guys talk frequency. Yeah, CPU performance depends on it. Yeah, right. Today task. Sun to glass in C, I see. It depends on the position we keep. Yeah, okay. Version 2.9 or 2007 old model. So what? Version 2.9 or 2007 model. What is the use of numpad? Okay, for this kind of so if you go for a gaming, modeling, or somewhat, numpad will be useful. So numpad means for accounting. Your CPU is thermal throttling. Yeah, means what do you mean? Okay, let it. So if I have a numpad, it will be easy for me to do to type the numbers in a single hand rather than getting. So as many of our Indians use right hand, so rather than left hand, it will be comfortable for us for if you type numbers in Excel sheets or etc. But if you go for what we say, call it this kind of 3D modeling or etc. Numpad will play a somewhat a major role because it will have some shortcuts. Like if you press zero, you are able to go for camera view. So in the same other softwares also you have this one like Maya 3D. Okay, so we can make after this is a basic session. You may be expecting much more, but I am also able to tell you much things. But the thing is, time is not supporting us, so we are not having that much time to uh, discuss with the much topics. So here we are lacking time, right? Okay, so I think the task is shared using many colors. So in take any object of your choice, a model or take by default the cube. Okay, and uh, render the image and post it. Okay, post the screenshot and the image which you have rendered using okay render engine either cycles and Eve. Okay, both you need to render and keep. Okay, use the lighting also. Okay, use the materials like take 5 cubes, make one as a principal BSF, other as a material what we say glossy BSF, other as your choice. Okay, don't give reactions here, it's irritating. Screenshot means you need to press delta and print screen, or else it's or else you can go for OneDrive. Like I will show you on my desktop. Okay, so go here OneDrive, and I go for pictures. So it will be here. Okay, screenshots. So it's up to you. You need to go for a screenshot. Okay, guys. I think the task you did you get the task? Okay. So you need to render the images. So okay, madam will keep in the groups. Okay. So the task is you need to render the images. First, you need to take an object, use the unwrap it, apply the textures to the objects, and then you need to render using Eve and cycles. Okay, I forgot to tell about the workspace, but it's not needed. Nobody will. Okay, tell you that. Okay, ma'am is present in the WhatsApp, right? If not in the class, madam will be here. Okay, so okay, I am ending this meeting, right? So bye, guys. Any doubts? Okay, bye, guys.